Jinja Assassin here. Reigning air guitar champion of Australia and world #2 title holder for 4 years running. Still counts. And since I owe Signet a favour or two, they've sent me here to present one of Australia's biggest rock stars with their very own custom air guitar. Just don't mention anything about the knee. So, Andrew, you recently went and broke your knee.
You literally said you weren't going to mention the knee, man.
Sure. It's a nice rider, I guess.
Oh, well, can I offer you a coconut water?
Nah. Got my bevy right here. Good. I better pace myself. Your band name, Andrew. Does that mean there's a Wolf Daddy in the picture? You know, because you're Wolfmother, so...
Oh, right, Jinja Assassin.
That's me.
Do you, kill gingers?
It's homage to my ginger pride, Andrew. I'd like to see you come up with something better.
Ginger Ninja, Jinja Assassin, Ginger Megs, or Ginger Spice.
Do you want this air guitar or not?
I've got to have this air guitar, please.
That's right. Andrew Stockdale, as reward for your services to music, and on behalf of our packaging overlord Signet, I present you with your dream air guitar. Oh, that's a heavy guitar. Open it up.
Whoa, it's a double neck.
It is a double neck.
Did you get one of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you know, cool.
But how are you going to manage your air guitar performance with your knee like that?
Well, what are you suggesting here?
Well, I don't know. Maybe just bringing in an expert air guitar champion to lend you their skills. Move over, Wolfmother. Wolf Daddy's coming in. Then maybe the two of us can rock out at your next live gig.
That's not gonna happen, man. Sorry.
That's gonna happen.
Yeah, no, sorry, man.
It's happening.
Yeah, well, I don't know, okay?
We're doing this.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're we're doing it.
Give it up for the Jinja Assassin.
Signet, proud packaging supplier of Andrew Stockdale's air guitar.
No air guitars were damaged whilst in Signet packaging.